Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a live account on GatesFX. Right now we have here our wallets accounts, but we want to create a live account. So what we're gonna do right here is we click here on open live account, and then we select right here trade locker or MT5. Now let's do MT5. Then after that we do continue, and then from here we select the account type that we want to use, and that is a standard STP account. For now that's fine. You can check one of these, but I want to tell you that a standard STP account is fine for now. Select right here the leverage, so let's do 101, USD is fine, and then we do continue again, and then right now we do continue again, so we confirm it, and there we have it. Now we have our live trading account created by ourselves, and if you now click here on GatesFX, you will find right here that we have a live account. So once you need something from that account, they send all the details to your email, like passwords, login IDs, everything like that. But this is how you can create your live account on GatesFX. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.